Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to redeem code on EA app. If you've got a Game Key DLC or EA Play subscription code, redeeming it on the EA app is a straightforward process. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the EA app. So open the EA app on your Windows PC. If you are not logged in, sign in with your EA account credentials, and once you're in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the app, and from the drop down menu you're going to find a couple of options: online array, invisible, my profile, enable down to redeem code. So go ahead and click on redeem code. Once you click on that, you can see a dialog box appear. Now a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter your product code. Go ahead and carefully type in or paste your 16-digit alphanumeric code, and once you're done, go ahead and click on next to proceed. Now the app will validate your code. Once confirmed, the associated game or content will be added to your library. Go ahead and navigate to the My Collection tab to locate your new content. All right, so once you do that, click on download to install it on your system. If you encounter errors during redemption, double check the code for accuracy. Ensure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. Likewise, some codes may not be redeemable on child accounts due to content restrictions. So if you're using a child account, you might need to redeem the code through the EA website. Codes can also be redeemed via the EA website at ea.com/redeem. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.